Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a shout outs video. Now, I haven't ever done one before, and I think I'm gonna make it a quarterly thing to do. So this, if you don't hear me shout you out right now, it's because I'm starting from 2 years ago. I'm looking at comments from the very first video I had made, and then I'm just checking to see who was there from the beginning. And then I'm gonna show you guys who it is, because I do destroy people's names at any given moment. I mean, I destroy my own kids' names, my husband's name, so do not be upset about it, because I don't remember anything, which is fine. So I'm going back to my very first video, and it was issued back February the 25th, 2016. It was a Dollar Tree in Ross Hall, and the first couple of people I see is Miss Rosette, who I still talk to. That's my sis. She is right here. She has grown so much in her channel, and I love her and her 7 beautiful daughters. She's right on the top, and she was there in the beginning. So I think her name changed, and that's pretty cool to watch now. And also LA Beauty Queen. I might be butchering her name as well. That's another day one. She's right there on the top, and she's amazing. I hopefully could try to get on the computer and link the channels, but I've been terrible with it. Here's Platinum Red. Platinum Red used to make a lot of Dollar Tree videos. I do watch a lot of Dollar Tree videos. Still, it's one of my favorite spots from the beginning. I'm glad she's on Instagram. I could see what she's doing. Wonderfully Made. Ooh. I was like, yes, I love her. She is simply beautiful. She was right there in the beginning as well. And I was like, wow, this is amazing. It's amazing how people are still on here. They're still doing their thing. And I was like, wow, you know what? I have to try to do shout outs too, but I have to do it correctly. I had to do it from the beginning just to see who was there. And then, you know, start from there. So I think I'm going to just make it a quarterly thing where I'll just definitely shout out people that are still shouting me, you know, still commenting from now that haven't stopped. So I'm excited about that. This would have been one of my first Ulta hauls a year and a half ago. Now everybody here I kind of still communicate with. This is Bobby Cat's Kitten. It's one of my sis that's always commenting. She's right there. I'll eventually, Dana Elise is here still. She back. Look, all of these people, my family, I would say, my family are still, that's Beauty right there. She does beautiful makeup looks. Does hair reviews. Oh my gosh, she does it all. Here's Joyce. Oh my gosh, she has the words of the day that just are so encouraging. I mean, it's a blessing to hear her words, and I always be trying my best to catch up on those. Those are so much motivation out of this world. Diva Fashionista. That one I can't mess up. She's amazing too. She's still out there doing her thing. Rhea, oh my gosh, my Canadian friend. She's so precious. I was so happy to see that she had returned back to the YouTube, so I could see her pretty face and have her do her little pretty looks out there. So it was good to see her there. Simply Nichelle, who's on Snapchat too. It's Donnie Wani time. My kids, I love Donnie Wani. I love her too. I be trying to catch live, but I can't catch nobody's lives. But this is amazing. That was like a year ago. Mobella Life TV. She does amazing hauls. She does amazing DIYs too. She had one with the succulent pants that were amazing. She's well organized. She has really amazing tips for households. Oh, Miss World. That's another beauty of mine. She's super cute, very soft-spoken. I love her to death. I've been following her since I was able to capture her. She is amazing. Oh my gosh. So, glam, right? Yep. So I'm just happy that everyone I'm able to pull are still active. So that's my family, you guys. Definitely would have to do this again. I'm not going to take up too much time. I'm going to probably have to come up with a nice layout where it looks much more nice and clean with their links. I just wanted to shout out a couple of people, and the people that's been there from day one are still here today, and I just appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys so much, more than words can actually describe. So I thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I love you guys so much. You guys continue on being a blessing to others, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.